Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to present your food. First, let's talk about the canvas. Your plate. Choosing the right plate is crucial for an appealing presentation. A large plate can make a small portion look even smaller, while a small plate might overcrowd a generous serving. Think about the color and texture of your plate too. A simple white plate often makes colors pop, allowing your food to be the star. We'll explore how these choices impact the visual appeal of your culinary creations. Next, let's dive into arranging your food. Imagine your plate as a clock face. Place your protein between 3 and 9 o'clock, starches between 9 and 12, and vegetables between 12 and 3. This classic approach provides a balanced visual. Remember to build up, not just out. Stacking elements like a small tower of rice or layering vegetables adds an appealing three-dimensional quality, making your dish more inviting and professional looking. Now, let's perfect your presentation with garnishes and finishing touches. A garnish should always add to the dish, not just sit there. Think about a sprig of fresh herbs, a sprinkle of toasted nuts, or a delicate edible flower. When applying sauces, use a squeeze bottle or spoon to create intentional lines or dots, rather than just pouring. Finally, before serving, take a moment to wipe any smudges or drips from the rim of the plate with a clean cloth. This small step makes a huge difference. For those looking to elevate their plating even further, consider the interplay of textures. A dish with both crunchy and soft components is more engaging. Also, don't underestimate the power of a well-placed edible flower or a scattering of vibrant microgreens. They can instantly transform a simple dish into a gourmet experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so have fun experimenting with these techniques in your kitchen. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for socks that last, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy plating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.